Foshan-Yunzhang Furniture Manufacturing Company Limited was founded in 2013 and is located in Building B, Xiawei Industrial Zone, Jiujiang Town, Nanhai District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. We have a general investment of 5,560,000 RMB at a planned area of more than 8,800 square meters. We have abundant financial resources. As a professional manufacturer in chairs, sofa, tables, tea tables, console tables, wine cabinet, and so on, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, customer exploring, and company running. In order to supply high-quality products and services, we have built a modern technical quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the product, please contact us because we can provide customized service. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied product. Our product is widely used in home furniture, hotel furniture, and also all sorts of wedding party, event furniture decor. What's more, we have implemented a sound customer service team so that we can accurately evaluate the performance of sales team and make some improvement when criteria not meet with demand. Welcome customers from all over the world to pay a field trip to our factory and exchange great ideas with us. Mutual success cannot make without your support.